Hopefully there's no T-Rex.
In the music. Jumping down the rails.
Apparently we are in the Avatar Forest. That is so cool. What's the forest called in Avatar? What was it called?
Blue Mountain? No.
I forgot. Anyways, it's this one. Look at that. Maybe if you look into the trees, you might see the kangaroo again.
Last stop, we're going to Kuranda city. Always bring chips around.
And have a good beer.
Imported from Germany. Awesome.
Okay, so we I didn't even look. Oh, wait, you did.
He got fat arms. Look at. Please record his fat arms.
That
That
is.
just looks like a rat.
You're a rat.
Bear rat.
Oh. You give up.
Too high for him. He's hungry. That's me when I eat kebab when I'm drunk.